So what happens if you're stuck at home without easy access to a script, but you still want to do some performing? You can create a songologue. A bit like a monologue with one person performing, but you use the words of a song as your material. So, no one told you life would be this way. Your job's a joke. You're broke. Your love life's DOA. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you because you're there for me too. Here's an example of ABBA's Money, 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 with two very different characters saying the lines. The first character is someone who's having a bit of a tough time. They don't have much money. They're a single parent working a few jobs, and they've just seen on social media that the father of their children, who they're not with, has just bought a gaming chair and is bragging about it. For them, money is really important and could really influence their life, but they don't have it, and they don't even have the hope of getting it. I work all day. I work all night. To pay the bills I have to pay. Ain't it sad? And still, there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams, I have a plan to find me a wealthy man. I wouldn't have to work at all. I could fool around, have a ball. Money, money, money. Always funny in the rich man's world. Money, money, money must be sunny in the rich man's world. All the things that I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. The second character is a complete contrast. This is a young person, quite secure in life, finished university, got a good job. But now they've met a partner who is showering them with gifts and expensive things. They can see that this could be a way to get lots more money. I work all day. I work all night to pay the bills I have to pay. Ain't it sad? And still, there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams, I have a plan to find me a wealthy man. Then I wouldn't have to work at all. I could fool around and have a ball. Money, money, money. Ain't it funny in a rich man's world? Money, money, money. Always sunny in the rich man's world. All the things that I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. And if you like this video, check out some of my others. And remember, all the world's a stage.